Hey guys, this is your girl Bianca J, and I just want to say thank you so much. I ran into Jullien today in person, and I just had to tell him, and I posted it in our multifamily group, that we bought a house and closed on August the 10th. It was 25 days that we closed, and I know it's all because of Jullien's program. We bought into the program about a year and a half ago, the coaching program. I'm on the calls. When we have our events in Atlanta, I come to the events. But it was so interesting when I went for the loan. I had everything together. Jullien always talks about that financial folder. I had the folder like straight. So when we applied for the loan, the company contacted me within an hour. I had everything that they wanted, and it was such a smooth closing because I followed all the steps that Jullien had provided. We had the folders together. I already had everything that we needed was together. And I know that's because of Jullien. His program is so easy to follow, step by step. And I was a believer before, but now after closing 25 days, we bought our first multifamily property in Nashville, Tennessee, 800 square feet bungalow with a 500 square foot studio bungalow in the back. So the thing is, I'm letting my daughter rent it because the rents are so expensive in Nashville, but she's renting that, and then we have someone else renting the studio apartment. So we're starting to produce that income for her, and then our goal is to get more and more properties and create that generational wealth for my family. So thanks, Jullien and team. We love you. I'm a believer. And if you're not, please get in the program. And the thing that we always say, take immediate action now. Just don't get in, but get in, do the steps that he tells you, and take all our action, because you will have phenomenal results.